Welcome to the channel. Today, we will explore how you can control who sees your activities in the Strava app. This is very important if you want to maintain your privacy or share your workouts only with specific people. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the U icon on the right side. Then, take a look at the upper part of the screen and tap the Settings icon. After that, scroll down and select Privacy Controls. Next, tap on Activities to see the visibility options for your workouts. Here, you will find three choices: Everyone, Followers, and Only You. Select Followers if you only want people who follow you to view your workouts, or choose Only You if you prefer to keep your activities completely private. Finally, your selection will be automatically saved, and your activity visibility will update immediately. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.